Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Amelia Martin and I come from TBID, and today I want to explain about the understanding business concepts and functions. The next concept. In business, the concept is one thing must exist and should not be abandoned. The role of the concept in business is very important because it covers a various core things from a value to the business strategy used. The right concepts will help the company achieve its main goals. Jadi dalam berbisnis, konsep merupakan hal yang sangat penting karena dengan konsep yang tepat akan membantu suatu perusahaan tersebut mencapai tujuan utamanya. Nah, dalam perencanaan atau perancangan konsep itu juga meminimalisir kegagalan ataupun risiko permasalahan yang ada dalam perusahaan tersebut. Definitions of concept. Concepts are concrete ideas that have the main components in the form of core strategy, strategic research, a value network, and customer intermediaries. So, konsep merupakan ide-ide konkret yang memiliki komponen utama berupa strategi inti, sumber daya strategi, dan jaringan nilai dan perantara pelanggan. The following are important functions of business concept that you must know. The first, designing a detailed business. And the second, make business more focused. And the third, estimating the estimate capital in business. The last, increase business credibility. I think that is important functions of business concept that you must know. So, if you want to do or join to business, you must know there is important functions of business concept. The next, important functions of business concept. The first, designing a detailed business. Strategy business. People need a strategy to achieve their main goals. Business strategy in an actions or plan that help business people to achieve goals and win business competitions in the market. Jadi, hal pertama fungsi penting dari konsep bisnis yaitu merancang strategi bisnis secara mendetail. Pebisnis membutuhkan strategi dalam sebuah tindakan ataupun rancangan sebagai pedoman ataupun acuan untuk para pebisnis dalam menentukan arah dan mengembangkan usahanya. Jadi, hal itu dapat membantu pebisnis untuk mencapai tujuan dan memenangkan persaingan bisnis di pasar. And the second, make business more focused. Business concept can help business people to make the right decisions. Jadi yang kedua yaitu membuat bisnis menjadi lebih terarah. Konsep bisnis dapat membantu pebisnis untuk mengambil keputusan yang tepat saat berada dalam persaingan dunia bisnis yang ketat. Nah, pengambilan keputusan yang tepat sangat diperlukan. So, without a mature business concept, a business can lose its way and run. And the third, estimating the estimate capital. In business, capital is one important aspect that should not be missed. Capital can come from two things, namely money and energy. Jadi fungsi penting dari konsep bisnis yang ketiga yaitu mengestimasi perkiraan modal. Dalam dunia bisnis, modal merupakan salah satu aspek penting yang tidak boleh dilewatkan. Modal bisa berasal dari dua hal, yakni uang ataupun energi. So, I think the business concept can be used as a guide for estimating capital. And the last, increase business credibility. Credibility is the level of customer confidence in a product. For companies, credibility relates to the level of trust of clients, business partners, financial resource, and so on. Jadi yang terakhir yaitu meningkatkan kredibilitas usaha. Kredibilitas di sini yaitu tingkat kepercayaan pelanggan terhadap suatu produk ataupun Dalam suatu perusahaan, kredibilitas berkaitan dengan kepercayaan klien. Nah, di sini untuk meningkatkan kepercayaan ataupun kredibilitas usaha, yaitu dengan cara menggunakan konsep bisnis yang baik sebagai pedoman dalam dunia bisnis. The next, general business functions. I think all business activities function to make something that was initially less valuable into something of high value and can meet the needs of the community after being processed. The next, in general, some of the business functions are as follows: form and pledge utility, possessive utility, and time utility. The first, place utility. Place utility, which is a distribution function where a business delivers goods or services to the nearest locations that consumer can reach. And the second, time utility. Time utility name is storage and marketing functions in business, where goods at the time are less useful to be issued better when the goods are more useful. And the third, form utility. Form utility, which is a production function, whereas a business procedure, a product or service that is needed by the community, for example, furniture company, for financial service companies, and many others. And the last, possessive utility. Possessive utility, namely the sell functions in business, where a company sells a product to consumers who need it, be it goods or service. Maybe that's enough for my explanation about the understanding business concept and functions. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.